How long will it take to set up my system? Well, it doesn't need to take long to set up your system, and it's really very simple if you know what you're doing. But there are things you need to consider when setting up your business, so that you can be sure that your business is set up for the long term with a solid foundation. The last thing you want is to set up a business for the sake of getting started, and then a month or two or even a year down the line, you realize that because you didn't set up your system properly, you have missed the opportunity of making your business so much more successful and profitable. So I've created a program called the 3-Day Digital Quantum Leap Challenge that will show you the correct way of setting up and launching your business, the correct way, for the long term. Following this program, you can have your business set up and launched in 3 days or even sooner. It takes you through a 3-step system, and within the 3-step system, it will show you how to set up and to launch your business. You can get access to it by clicking the button at the bottom of this page and signing up today for only $7, and start building a profitable online business with affiliate marketing starting today. So go ahead and click that button.